The world is fast changing, and so is education. The classrooms are no longer limited to the four walls and not longer limited by distance. We are in the era of educational technology known as EdTech. Today, education travels with you on your phone, on your tablet, on your laptop. The EdTech industry is one of the fastest growing sectors in the world of today, and the global EdTech market is projected to exceed $348 billion by 2030, increasing by more than 13% annually. This growth is motivated by personalized learning, online learning, internet access, and artificial intelligence. No longer the one-size-fits-all method and the conventional education where a fish is judged by its ability to survive on land. It is now personalized, accessible, and data-driven. Africa is not still left out in this digital education revolution. And guess what? Nigeria is leading this transformation. Africa continues to grow in its e-learning sector. And the tens of millions of smartphone users across the continent, students can now access education anytime, anywhere. Nigeria has one of the youngest population in the world, with about 60% under the age of 30. That means yearly, millions of students will be seated for competitive examinations like WAEC, NECO, and JAM. They need more than textbooks. They need strategy, guidance, and true understanding. This is where Redcon online learning comes in.